Former cricketer Robin Uthappa is facing an arrest warrant over alleged Provident fund fraud involving his clothing company. Uthappa, who is the director of Centaurus Lifestyle Brands Private Limited in Bengaluru, has been accused of failing to deposit Provident fund contributions for his employees, even though the deductions were made from their salaries. The company owes nearly 24 lakh with 23 lakh 36,602 still unpaid. The regional PF commissioner Sadakshari Gopal Reddy issued the arrest warrant on December 4th, giving Uthappa until December 27th to settle the dues or face arrest. The complaint also highlights that due to the non-payment, the Provident Fund accounts of employees cannot be settled, affecting the workers. Uthappa, 39 years old, is well known for his international cricket career, having played 59 matches for India as well as for his contributions to the India Premier League, where he scored over 1,100 runs and made 7 half centuries.